Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I will continue the problems on tabular data interpretation. See the information which is given in the question. Study the following table carefully and answer the questions given below. Here the information is about a percentage of marks obtained by 6 students in 6 different subjects. Here the information is given about a percentage of marks. These are not exact marks. These are percentage of marks. These are percentage of marks. Each and every value which is given in this question, all these values are percentage of marks obtained by 6 different students. These are the 6 different students A to F, and the subjects are P indicates psychology, S indicates sociology, economics, philosophy, and then statistics and geology. And one more information is also given, that is figures written in bracket under each subject indicates maximum marks allotted for that subject. Here all these values 150, 120, 80, 75, 125 and 60. These are the maximum marks in that particular subject, right? This is the information which is given. All these are percentage values, 72 percentage, 68, 63, like that. Each and every value is percentage, not the marks of that particular students in that particular subject. First of all, see the first question. What is the difference between total marks obtained by A in psychology and statistics together and the total marks obtained by F in these two subjects together? Here we need to calculate the difference. Here we need to calculate the difference. Difference between which two members? Difference between A and F. Difference between A and F. It may be A is greater or F is greater. We don't know that value, right? And which subjects we are talking about? Here we are talking about psychology and statistics together. First, take psychology, and second one is statistics. If you look at the psychology is first one and the statistics is fifth one. See, first one A is 72 percentage, F is 84 percentage in psychology. As we are calculating the difference, here I am not calculating the total marks of A in statistics and psychology together. What I will do is, instead of that, if you want the general procedure method, what is the general procedure is, here first you need to take A total. Here A total is 72 percentage of 150. These are the marks of A in psychology, and in statistics A percentage is 88. Therefore 88 percentage of 125. Total marks in statistics are 125. These are the total marks. After adding these two, what you will get is total marks of A. Similarly, if you want to calculate the total marks of F in both psychology and statistics together, F value in psychology 84 percentage. 84 percentage of 150, whereas coming to statistics is 82 percentage. 82 percentage of 82 percentage of 125. 82 percentage of 125. Here if you add these two, you will get something value. After that, you need to take the difference between these two. This is a general procedure method, but instead of doing this calculation, it is better to do like this. Here you want the difference between A and F in psychology as well as statistics. I will do one small technique here. That is, here first I will take the psychology subject. In psychology, A value 72, F value 84. A value 72, F value 84. As F value is more as comparing with A, so definitely you need to take the difference between these two, as F is greater. F is greater by how much percentage? Here it is 12 percentage. 12 percentage of 150. 12 percentage of 150. In this case, F value is greater as comparing with A value. And next, in second statistics subject, if you look at A 88 percentage and F 82 percentage. F 82 percentage. What is the difference between those two? 6 percentage. 6 percentage of 125. In this case, A is greater. In this case, A is greater. So, here in one case, A is less. In one case, A is greater. So, after that, you need to take the difference between these two. That is your answer. What is 12 percentage of 150? Here, this 12 percentage of 150, which is equal to 18. Which is equal to 18. Similarly, 6 percentage of 125. 6 percentage of 125, that is 7.5. Now you can take the difference between these two. As these values are, one is greater and one is lesser, because of that reason I am taking the difference between these two. In case both are, either both are greater or both are lesser, in that case you need to add. But in this case, one is greater, one is lesser. Because of that reason, you can take the difference between these two. Here it is 18 and 7.5. Difference between these two is how much? 10.5. 10.5. Option C is the right answer. Instead of doing all these calculations, it is very easy to do the calculation if you go by this approach. This is the simplest technique to solve these kind of problems. Option C is the right answer. Let's see the second question. What is the average percentage of marks? What is the average percentage of marks obtained by 6 students in sociology? Sociology means that is second one. Second one. In second subject, average percentage of marks. All these are percentages only. All these are percentages. So directly you can calculate average value. Average in sociology, which is equal to, what are the values? 65 plus 58 plus 73 plus 65 plus 55 plus 70. What is meant by average? Sum of all the values divided by number of observations. Here total we are having 6 students. So the denominator value is 6. Now you can add all the values. What you will get here? Units place. 5 plus 5, 10, 13, 21, 26. 2 is carry. Here it is 8, 13, 20, 26, 26, 31, 31 plus 7, 38. 38. 386 divided by 6. Here, which is nothing but 193 divided by 3. You can cancel with 2 table. 2 3s are 2, 193. 193 divided by 3, it is not exactly divisible by 3. So, as the options are given in terms of mixed fractions, calculate the values in terms of mixed fractions only. Average is equal to 3 6 18 and still 1 is left over. 13. 13 means 3 4s, still 1 is a remainder. 1 by 3. Average is equal to 64 1 by 3. Average is equal to 64 1 by 3 percentage. That is the required answer. Option D. Next question. What are the average marks obtained by 6 students in philosophy out of 75? Average marks. We need to calculate average marks. It is not about average percentage. It is about average marks. Average marks are different. Average percentage is different. If you want average marks, definitely you need to calculate marks of each and every student in philosophy. Philosophy means that is fourth subject. Okay. First, you need to calculate the average of average marks. Average marks means sum of all the values divided by number of observations. Number of observations is nothing but number of students in this case, that is 6, right? First you need to calculate sum of all the values. First one is 65 percentage of 75. 70 percentage of 75. If you observe carefully, in each and every case, 75 percentage, percent means by 100. 75 by 100, this is the common value. So you can common that value and then you can add all these values. 65 plus 70 plus 57 plus 61 plus 76 plus 78. This is the total sum of all the values, all the students in philosophy. And the denominator is, what is the denominator here? Number of students. How many students are there? 6 students are there. So the denominator value is 6. Here it is 3 times and this is 4 times, it will cancel. Now you can calculate this value. 3 by 4, and in the denominator you will be having 6. 3 and 2 times cancel. Now you can calculate the sum of all the values in this case. Here units place 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12, 13, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Units place is 7. And next, 27 means here 8. 8 plus 7, 15, 20, 26, 26, 33, 33 plus 7, 40. 407. 407 divided by 8. 407 divided by 8. That is your average marks. Therefore, the required average is equal to how many times it will cancel? 8 5s are 40. 7 is the remainder. It is not divisible. You can keep the 0, 50. It means 400. So 80, 850s, 400. Still remainder is 7 is there. 70. 70 means here 8 8s are 64. And next 60 is there, 8 7s are 56, 40 is there, 8 5s are. Now the average marks of all the 6 students in the subject philosophy, which is nothing but 50.875. That is option B. Option B is the right answer for this question. Next question. What are the total marks obtained by A in psychology, economics, and geology together? Here we need to calculate total marks obtained by A in psychology. First, psychology, that is 72 percentage of 150. That is the first subject. And the second subject, economics. Economics is 85 percentage. 85 percentage of 80. That is the second subject. And third subject, geology. Geology is 72 percentage. 72 percentage of 60. 72 percentage of 60. This is the answer. Now we need to calculate all the values. A total marks is equal to, if you observe carefully, here you can cancel with 50 table, 52s 53 times, and next 24 times, 25 times, and next 23 times, 25 times, and then after that 2 ones are 236, and next 5 ones are 5 17s, and this value is not divisible. First you can calculate this one. 36 into 3, that is 108. 36 into 3, 108, plus 17 into 4, 68. 17 4s are 68. After that, 72 into 3. 72 into 3 divided by 5. Here, this value is 216. 216 divided by 5, which is nothing but, here it is 4 times 20. 16. 16 means 3 times. And then point, and then 1 is remainder, 10. 10 means 2 times. 43.2. So after adding all the values, A total in these 3 subjects, Here, after the decimal point, 2 is the number. If you observe carefully, there is no other option which contain after the decimal point 2. That is only one option is there, 219.2. If you add all these values, you will get definitely 219.2 only. See here, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 11, 19. And next, 1, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7, 10. And then here it is, once add all these values, what you will get? 108, 68, and then 43.2. Here it is zero point 0.2, and this is 16, 19, and this is 10 plus 1, 11, and then 2. 219.2. That is the summation of all these values. A in psychology, economics, and geology together. 219.2, option A is the right answer. Last question in this session. Approximately, what is the overall percentage of marks obtained by C in all subjects together? Here we need to calculate C approximate percentage in all subjects together. How can we get the approximate percentage? Approximate percentage is nothing but percentage of marks is equal to obtained marks. In general, obtained marks divided by total marks, which will gives you the percentage of marks into 100. Whenever you want to calculate the percentage of marks of any student, that particular value is nothing but obtained marks in all subjects together divided by total marks into 100. First, you need to calculate obtained marks of C. Here, C values are 63, first subject, 63 percentage. In each and every case, percent by 100 is common, right? By 100 and into 100 both will cancel. Okay, now this value becomes 63 into 150 plus, and then 73 into 120, and then 69 into 80, and next 57 into 75, and then 68 into 125, and last one 65 into 60. This is the total marks obtained divided by 100 will be there, by 100 into 100 both are cancelled, and the total marks in all subjects together. Total marks means 150 plus 120. You need to add all the maximum values. 120 plus 80 plus 75 plus 125 plus 60. This is your required answer. Now you need to calculate all the values. First one, 63 into 150. 63 into 150, that is 9450, plus 73 into 120. 73 into 120, 8760, plus 69 into 80, 5520, 57 into 75, 57 into 75, that is 4275, and then 68 into 125. Sometimes there is a chance of calculating all the values. Definitely you need to calculate in that case 65 into 6, that is 390, that is 390, and one more 0 is there, you can keep the 0. Whole divided by total marks. Now you can add all total values. Here it is 120 plus 80, 200, 75 plus 125, 200, that is 400, 400 plus 150, 550, 550 plus 60, 550 plus 60, 610. Denominator value is 6, 610. Now coming to the numerator value. Add all the values in the numerator. 9450, 8760, and then 5520, and next 4275, and then 8500, and then 3900 whole divided by, here it is 40,000 for 405 whole divided by 610, which is equal to, what you will get is approximately 66 percentage. Approximately 66 percentage. That is the required answer. Option B is the required answer. Sometimes calculation will be difficult. It is not, not possible to calculate exact answer sometimes. Whenever these kind of questions are there, it is better to leave that particular question for the time being in order to save your time. It is better to keep the same time in other questions so that you will get more number of questions within the stipulated time. That's all about this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.